Good morning, guys. My name is That today. I wish you remember me. Let's start our coding. Today we will start a jumping game. Come on. Oh, we didn't take our background first of all, and we're doing it all wrong. Forgot everything that we need to do first. Let's take a chicky this time. Let's take a chicky. We're gonna take this chicky. Oh, it's so cute, chicky. Let's take a background. This one, blue sky. Wait a moment, we're missing up a little mistake. We don't have an egg for jumping. Yeah, we really need an egg. Wait a moment. Let's take animals and we will get an egg. Alright, this is our egg. So cute, chicky from inside. Okay, now we are gonna start our coding, and so we are able to start. Let's start our coding. So we're already done. We are going on events. Oh no, we are going on motion, but we forgot a thing. We forgot events, and we forgot we will events things. We will take one click flag after it. Don't worry. First, let's done it this. All right, -10. -10 is done. Now we need. No, it's wrong. We done it wrong. This is the correct. Okay, now we should take now a costume. No, we forgot the sound of the chicky. Wait a moment. Are we doing the wrong? Are we doing of the egg? We should do all the chicky, not all the egg. It's all my mistake. So bad happening. Ew, it's all here. We are done like this in a fast minute. Okay, alright. Now what we need to do, we need to take a costume, really. Add motion. Next costume too. Or we don't need next costume. We need variables. What we are gonna take? We're gonna take. You're gonna take this one. Put it here now. Alright, set up. Right. Alright. We're writing score. 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 Alright, forward what we need to do. Okay, now. Score is done. Events. Now we need one click flag. Now we're going to motion, and we are taking this. Alright, let's erase it all. Minus 180. And now we're taking minus. Okay, now we can. Alright, we are taking this score, set score to 0. Okay, let's doing something else now started. So we're already finished up. We're just in finishing up, and we are just doing it. Now we're gonna do off the egg. Great. Hurry, do off the egg. We need to take one more egg now. Right now we're going on looks, taking height, and then we are taking one to control the wait 1 second, and then we're going on looks again and taking show. Alright. Oh, we did something wrong inside. Alright. Oh, our show is not now it's fixed in like a puzzle. First it was not just. Right now we are on motion and we're taking this. Go to X and Y. Alright, we're gonna change 240. 240. Alright, now it's minus 145. Alright. The second thing is gonna make 2, and we're gonna make this. We're gonna make this a little 2 minus 240. Oh, we need to stop the eggy. Oh, egg is flying. No, the egg must be not flying. How could the egg fly just? It must be not be flying. It's all wrong. But our egg, why our egg is flying? Because we were not having this. Okay. When click flag in event, now what we need to do is alright, we are taking way unit and stop all. Stop all. Wait, we are missing one answer. Answer is missing. We didn't write answer of this thing. What we are gonna do? Okay, now we're just doing it, but we need click, touch click. Alright, put in, and we're gonna stop all. Stop all. Alright, done. Let's start our chicky. Alright, oh, wait, alright, green flag. Oh, we are not getting loose. Alright. Oh, when our chicky touches the egg, that means the game is over. Alright. Let's click our green flag again, and we don't want to be out this time. Whoa, we're saving. Phew, we're getting saved. I hope you loved my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family. Take care, bye.